If you have 1/100th of a Bitcoin, you can buy a coffee. If you have 1/10th of a Bitcoin, you can buy a bicycle. If you have a quarter of a Bitcoin, you can buy a laptop. If you have half a Bitcoin, you can buy a car. If you have 1 Bitcoin, you can buy a tiny house. If you have 2 Bitcoin, you can buy a beach vacation. If you have 5 Bitcoin, you can buy a restaurant. If you have 10 Bitcoin, you can buy a seaside villa. If you have 50 Bitcoin, you can buy a private jet. And if you have 100 Bitcoin, you can buy a small island. If you have 1,000 Bitcoin, you can buy your own skyscraper. If you have 10,000 Bitcoin, you can buy a stadium. If you have 100,000 Bitcoin, you can buy McDonald's. If you have 1 million Bitcoin, you can buy Tesla. If you have 10 million Bitcoin, you can buy a Mars neighborhood. And if you have 21 million Bitcoin, you can buy all the Bitcoin.